Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to get these turn signals working. This is driving me crazy. This is my cafe bike. This thing's beautiful. It turned out great, but I can't get the turn signals to blink. I've tried LED flashers. I've tried everything that I thought would work, but just ain't cutting it. So I got a recommendation for a turn flasher, for an LED flasher that has a ground wire on it. I went to my local, a local guy that specialized in LEDs, and he said you need one of these. On these, on this GL, it's got a 2-prong, so I got a 2-prong with a ground wire, and he says this will do it. And you can see right there it says LED flasher. So let's throw this puppy on and see what happens. My other one is underneath the seat. Okay, so we are right there is my other one. See? So I'm going to go ahead and pull the seat up, and then we'll throw this on there, and hopefully I got some flash action. Alright, so this flasher is marked with an X and an L. So the X goes to the battery, and that on this 82 GL500 is the white with the green, and then the turn signal is this gray wire. And then I have the ground wire hooked up here. So let's see what happens. There we go. Turn signals once again. Unbelievable. So that's what you need. These are all LEDs on here. I only have 4 LEDs. That's all I got. Good deal. Well guys, hopefully this helps you out. Get your turn signals working again. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. Until next time, it's Tepco Cycle Repair.